Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add text in Lightroom Mobile. All right, let's begin. First, open Lightroom Mobile and select the photo you want to edit. It's important to note that Lightroom Mobile does not include a built-in text tool within the editing panel. If you look through the available editing options, you won't find a feature for adding text directly to your image. Instead, you can add text by using the watermark feature during export. To do this, tap the Export button and select Export As. Scroll down to the Include Watermark section and enable it if it's currently turned off. Next, tap Customize and switch to the text option. Here, you can enter any text you want to display on your image. After entering your text, tap Done. You can then adjust the size, color, and shadow settings, as well as change the horizontal and vertical position of the text to place it exactly where you want it. Once everything looks good, go back and tap Export. The exported image will include your custom text watermark. So that's basically how you can add text in Lightroom Mobile. That's it for this video. Thanks.